In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about performing a ripple delete in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever found yourself wanting to remove a portion of a clip and have the surrounding clips auto-shift to close the gap seamlessly, then ripple delete is a tool you need to master. This feature can significantly enhance your editing efficiency by eliminating the process of manually dragging clips together after a cut, making it a must-know for anyone looking to streamline their video editing workflow. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you need to have DaVinci Resolve open and go to the Edit page. You'll find this part of the software perfect for arranging and trimming your clips. Once you're there, identify the clip segment you'd like to remove. It could be anything that disrupts the flow or simply isn't needed in your final cut. Make a cut on either side of the segment to isolate it. This can be done using the blade tool or by using keyboard shortcuts, depending on your preference. Take your time to ensure your cuts are clean, as precise editing is key to a professional outcome. Now that the unwanted section is nicely trimmed, go ahead and right-click on the segment you want to delete. This action will bring up a context menu filled with various editing options. Among these options, you'll find Ripple Delete. Selecting it will make that clip disappear and cause the remaining clips to automatically shift left to fill the void. It's a quick and easy way to maintain the continuity of your work without having to manually adjust everything yourself. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way to achieve this. Simply highlight the clip you wish to delete and press Shift plus Backspace. This is a real time saver and can speed up your editing, especially during longer projects where every second counts. As with any technique in video editing, practice makes perfect. Spend some time getting comfortable with using Ripple Delete, experimenting with different clips and scenarios. This will improve your efficiency and help you get a sense of when and where using this feature can best serve your creative goals. It's also worth mentioning that making sure your timeline is backed up or saved is always a good idea before making significant edits like these, preventing any potential loss of your hard work. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Ripple Delete in DaVinci Resolve. With these steps in mind, you'll be able to cut down on editing time and ensure your projects have that polished, professional edge. Keep practicing, and soon, navigating edits in DaVinci Resolve will feel like second nature. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing.